Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the JBL Tune 215BT wireless headphones. This is a pretty standard design for wireless, pure bass wireless headphones from JBL. They're quite popular as well. A lot of information on the box right here. Let's quickly take a look. Over here it's written, this is wireless, pure bass sound, hands-free call. That's more or less it. And yeah, pure bass sound, hands-free call, comfort fit earbuds, more or less the same points. And there's also a sneak peek at what the headphones actually look like. Let's not waste any more time and see and take a peek inside. Okay, one final information I want to tell you is that the two information actually, that this one comes with a USB Type-C charger. With 10 minutes of charge you can play 1 hour of music, which is pretty standard, and it has a battery capacity of 16 hours. That's about it. Let's take a look at the device. Okay, what is this? Quick start guide. This is a very sizable quick start guide, all packed. I think the quick start guide, your warranty information, your product information, all of them are packed like this. This looks very nice actually. I'm not going to open this. What do we have here? A pair of orange USB-C type charger. There you go. This is what they look like, orange and flat TPE wires, which means they're not going to get tangled, but they're not very long either, so I don't know why they need to be tangle free. I'll keep them right here. This is just a tray. Move this, and this is what the JBL Tune 215BT wireless headphones look like. I'm going to take them out from here. Yep. And these are your in-ear design, and has a glossy finish to it, but they're not bad actually. Has this one glossy strip right over here. It's not bad. It's actually pretty classy looking. These are very large earpods. I mean, compared to some of the other devices, some of the other competition, these are pretty large. There's a JBL logo right over here. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, there's a JBL logo right over here. These are color coded as well. The left one is blue, the right one is red, so you can remember it through the color code as well. Two huge modules over here right at the end of the neckband. Speaking of the neckband, this is a very thin neckband. Has this kind of a texture on top. It's thin, quite flexible. Looks tough, but obviously I'm not going to put all my force into it and test it out here. So looks pretty tough, and hopefully this will hold. I mean, it's kind of designed to, this is designed to be a workout companion or a running companion, because it's super light and has that, trendy sports finish. There are two modules here. This one has the inline volume control and the power on-off button. And this tiny little flap here is where you will find your USB charging port. Oh, it's a very stylish little flap. So there you go. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, this is your USB-C port for charging the device. The wire that connects the heads to the neckband is also flat wire, making it tangle free. But like I said earlier, the wire is actually so short that I don't think you're going to tangle them anytime soon. There's also a wire clip here that you can use to basically for some very basic cable management. You can just attach them right like this, and that's it. This is all you find inside the box containing the JBL Tune 215BT wireless earphones. Thank you for watching.